Ethereum is setting up for one of the biggest bull runs ever. In today's video, I'm going to focus on and give you a full price prediction for Ethereum in the coming 30 to 90 days. And then I'll showcase one of the biggest projects in the market. If you do enjoy the video, smash the like and subscribe. This video is clearly not financial advice and is only intended for entertainment purposes. Ethereum in the coming weeks has been showing extreme bullish strength, actually outpacing the likes of Bitcoin and a lot of these top cryptocurrencies. What we're seeing right now is the daily trend beginning to shift. We're seeing the exponential moving average now having a positive slope on the chart, which now means we can look for longs on the daily trend. And we love to be looking at below exponential moving average price, especially in this long-term uptrend. We're potentially expecting a break above this old all-time high. So what we want to see is some supportive structure here, and then another continued push, riding this exponential moving average like a wave to the upside. Here we have Pepe, one of the latest crypto projects to hit the market, escape the meme tricks. Here with the Pepe Revolution, stage 0 of their pre-sale is available now, already raised $100,000 in all these different cryptos, Ethereum, BNB, and Base. USDT, USDC. About Pepe, its revolutionary spirit designed to dominate, empower through action, unmatched innovation. They have their smart contract audit, CoinSalt, Cyberscope, and Certic. How to get into the project? We can see step 1, we'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask. Then you'll need to choose the specific crypto you want to enter in. Then you'll be able to participate in this pre-sale, security and audit, code transparency, rug pull prevention, smart contract audit. Here the tokenomics for the project. Here we can see 5% for the ecosystem, 10% for the liquidity, 25% marketing, 45% is available for the pre-sale, 5% giveaways, 10% for the development of the project. Looking to push some exchange listings in 2025. All of their frequently asked questions. We can jump over to the social channels and all their media news updates. Here on their X, more than 10,000 followers. The best way to stay up to date with any of the latest announcements, because they will be all posted here on their X, and plus their Telegram, nearly 10,000 members. Great way to chat with the team in the community with more than 600 members online. There we have it for Pepe. If you have enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.